Hello, boys and girls. Happy February. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. And I wanted to get to review our rhythms first. Last week, I assigned a rhythm activity, and some of you guys did a really good job, and some of you were a little confused, which is totally okay because we're going to review them together today. Okay, so let's start off easy. Okay, so here is our rhythmic pattern. You guys all know this one right here, and this one from first and second grade, and third grade too, right? But let's just review it. So this one here, let's start off with this. Here, it's called quarter note. Can you say quarter note? Good. And this is called ta when we read the rhythm, okay? And here we have 2/8 notes. So some of you guys think that this here in between my hands is 1/8 note, but actually this is 2/8 notes because we have the two heads here, okay? And they're just grouped together so that we can read them easier, okay? So this is T, T. Let me read it, T, T, because it's faster than one ta, right? We're trying to fit two into one beat. That's why these are faster. And then right here, this is a quarter rest. It's a squiggly line, right? So this is a quarter rest, and you guys know that this is a silence, okay? So one beat of silence, we just go like that, okay? So let's read this together. 1, 2, reading only. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 right? Okay, so when we clap it, it should sound like this. Okay, so let's do both. Reading, clapping, here we go. T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 T. Okay, got it? So I was reviewing a lot of your recordings, and some of you guys would read TTs and TAs correctly, but not give it enough time. So for example, another student did this. T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 T. Is that correct? No, right? Because ta should be longer than the two TTs, right? Or two TTs is the same as one ta, right? So it should be in a very steady beat. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 rest, rest, okay? All right, let's move on. So the next rhythm here is another familiar one, is the ta. So this one looks like a quarter note, like this, except it's not filled in, it's blank. So this one is 2 beats, and therefore they have more space here because you have to hold it longer for 2 beats. So we go ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay, and when we clap the tas, I asked you guys to do this. Ta, and hold it. Not ta, because then that's 2 beats, but it's ta, like that. So can you do that with me? Ready, go. Ta, 1, 2, ta. Okay, so let's read and clap this rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Right? Okay? Let's try the next one. Another ta, TTs, and ta's. Okay? 1, 2, clapping, reading. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Remember, you have to do ta, like that, okay? Next one. Here. For second graders, this was a bonus rhythm, and for third graders, you guys should know this. Remember, we did this as pika pika, right? This one we read it as tika tika, okay? Tika tika, and this is 4 16th notes together. So even though they're all grouped together, you always read the number of heads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 notes, and they're 16th notes. And remember, 8th note had only 1 bar going across, but 16th note has 2 bars going across, okay? So you have to make sure there's 2 lines for the 16th notes, okay? So let's read this together. Reading only, here we go. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta, ta, ta. Okay, let's try one more time, okay? 1, 2, reading, go. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta, ta, ta. Okay, let's clap it. And I'm going to tap it on the card, okay? 1, 2, reading, clapping. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta, ta, ta. By yourselves. 1, 2, by yourself. Did you get that? Okay, good. And again, you can't just go ta ta tika tika ta ta ta. That's not right. You need to have enough beats prolonging for the ta's, okay? So if I tap the rhythm here on the foot like this, like a metronome, it should go ta ta tika tika ta ta ta. We're trying to fit 4 notes in one beat. That's why the tika tika is a lot faster, right? Because we're trying to fit 4 notes in one beat, okay? Let's try this one. 1, 2, ready, go. Tika tika ta, ta, ta. Tika tika ta, ti ti ta. Steady, right? And then I want to show a new rest to you guys. So you guys know quarter rest, but here, this is a half rest. See how it looks like a hat? And hat starts with an H. Half also starts with an H. So that's an easy way for you to remember. Because there's another rest symbol that looks kind of like this, but upside down. So remember, the one that looks like a hat is a half rest. And since half note is 2 beats, half rest is also 2 beats. Okay? So let's read this together. Ready? Go. Ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Okay, let's try again. Ready? Go. Ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Okay, so for the half notes, we go ta. But for the half rest, we're just going to go twice because 2 beats. 2 beat of rest, right? Let's try. Let's try this one too. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. And let's replace this with half rest. Let's replace it with half rest, okay? So how would we do that? You try it. Go. Did you get it? It should have been ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti. Okay, all right, good. So we have 1 new rest and I have 1 new note. For some of you guys, if you were in my class last year, you probably know this, but if you weren't in my class, maybe this is new to you and that's totally fine. Here, this one looks like a half note, except there's a dot next to it. This is called a dotted half note. Can you repeat after me? Dotted half note. Great. So whenever you have a dotted half note, okay, this is a 3 beat, okay? I want to explain it to you why this is 3 beats, okay? If you don't understand it, that's okay, but I still wanted to explain it to you because you guys are smart. So there are notes where it's not a half note and there's a dot next to it. But in this case, this is a dotted half note, right? You know that half note is 2 beats, right? The dot is basically adding half of what this note is. So what is half of 2? 1, right? So 2 plus 1 equals 3, okay? So that's what the dot stands for, okay? I'll explain more about this when we have other dotted rhythms, but for now, we just have dotted half note. So this is 3 beats, and we're gonna clap it like this. Ah, 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 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Ta, okay? So 3 beats. Let's read this together. 1, 2, reading, go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Rest, right? Okay, let's clap and read it together. Ready? Here we go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Okay, great. So remember, we have a quarter note, we have 2 eighth notes, TT. We have a dotted half note, that's 3 beats. We have 1 quarter rest, which is 1 beat of rest. And we have the half note, which is 2 beats. And then lastly, we have a half rest, which looks like a hat. Yes, great, half rest. Okay, soon we're gonna learn other rests like whole notes and whole rest, okay? But for now, these are the ones that you should know, okay? So review them, and I hope this review was helpful. Okay? All right. Hello again. So, the new song that we're going to sing together today is called Oats, Peas, Beans. If this sounds familiar to you, it's probably because we learned it and sang it together last year. If not, we'll learn it together. Okay? So I want you to listen to me sing it first. Okay? Here we go. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Sounds complicated, but actually you can do it, okay? So here are the 4 things that we're going to be growing, okay? Oats, peas, beans, and barley. What are the 4s again? Oats, peas, beans, and barley. Yes. So this is my turn and your turn, okay? Remember call and response? Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Your turn. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. And then we do it one more time. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. How oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Yeah, so we sing that 3 times. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Okay, so let's try one more time. But listen to me one more time, okay? Listen. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oops, sorry. Nor you, nor I, right? Okay. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. All right, so let's try it again. Call and response. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Your turn. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. How oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Let's make it a little longer, okay? Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Ready? Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. So it's nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Okay, let's sing it together. I think you can do it. All right, ready? Sing with me. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Let's take that second section, nor I, or nor you, or nor I. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so nor you, do that with me. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Okay, sing with me one more time. Ready? Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Great job. So for this week's assignment, I want you to just learn the song because this is not it, okay? The song's a little bit longer than you think. We're going to learn the next parts in the next upcoming weeks. But for this week, I want you to learn the song and the movements. Remember, nor you, nor I, nor anyone knows how oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. I want you to just record a video for me singing the song with the movements. Alrighty, good luck!